Here I have HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see Huawei logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here at the recovery you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as restart, clear data, update mode, save mode, and in clear data you have like factory reset or wipe cache. So yeah. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option restart and your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.